For years, people saved money by cooking at home and not overspending on expensive takeout. But with the price of groceries these days, how much is home cooking really saving you?
Consumer reporter John Matteries takes a look at how to save on some of those kitchen staples so you don't waste your money.
Here at Red Feather Larder, steak tips aren't the only thing sizzling. Chef Brad Bernstein says from steak to salmon, food costs are soaring for both restaurants and home cooks.
Ribeye steaks are going through the roof.
His beef and chicken prices are up 15% this year. So what can you do? This award-winning chef suggests slimming down the meat portion of your dinners and adding more veggies, rice, and pasta.
And kind of getting back to that healthier cuisine where, the portion of meat should really fit in the palm of your hand.
His other tip, buy cheaper cuts of meat and marinate them.
Some of the other items, flank steak, hanger steak, chuck roast.
And it's not just beef and chicken prices that we have to worry about. The cost of everything from milk to eggs is also going up, making that home-cooked meal so much more expensive.
Inflation is coming at us from all angles, and it's no fun.
Kelly Goldsmith of Vanderbilt University says to save on groceries, comparison shop prices online.
If you haven't been an online grocery shopper, you can at least use those portals to see what the prices are before you go and find out where you can get the best deals.
And watch out for budget-blowing impulse purchases.
If you're the type of person that every time you go to the grocery store, you spend $8 at Starbucks getting yourself a drink and a snack, that's not nothing, right? That adds up.
But if you're thinking of replacing a pricey home-cooked meal with a night out,
but you got to keep in mind these restaurants are facing inflation too.
Chef Brad agrees, saying don't blame your local restaurant for higher menu prices.
It's constantly changing. It feels like we can't keep up with the rising costs.
But a few smart shopping and menu changes should help so you don't waste your money. I'm John Matteries.